Hi, I'm Shubhojit Nandi. I'm from Bangalore and I'm pursuing pharmacy here at Kalinga University. I chose pharmacy because I look forward to a future where there is a cure to every disease. It is very disheartening to watch people die right in front of you and there's nothing you can do. That's why I chose pharmacy, and what better place to do it from than Kalinga University. The faculty here is excellent. They're not just educators, but they're more like family. They help navigate you through complicated times and they ensure they're there to help you. What really sets this place apart is the lab and equipment we have. We have equipment like HPLC and scanning electron microscope that are pretty rare in most universities. The fact that a university has this already gives us an edge against students from other universities. We're going to be more skilled when we graduate, and I think that is why corporations are going to prefer us more. There's that, and also I think I've grown as a person. I have realized what my strengths are, what my weaknesses are. There's definitely stuff that I need to work on, and I'm definitely working on it. There's also some stuff that I've realized I'm very good at, and I'm definitely using it. I've realized that I need to be more kind to them. I need to be more helpful, and I'm definitely working on that. I want to be a researcher after I graduate. I mainly want to take on that field because, as I've said earlier, I want to develop medicines that hopefully that will cure every disease. I want to pursue research after my graduations, as I want to develop medicines that cure diseases, especially cancer. That's my main focus, and I want to drastically increase the life expectancy rate. Thank you.